Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Crimson Desert error, and the error is the graphics device is currently not supported. So if you're getting this error in the Crimson Desert game, then here what you have to do. Now before performing any of the fixes which I have mentioned in this video, first check the system requirement for the game. So go to Crimson Desert Steam Store webpage, scroll down, and here you can check the system requirement for both Windows and Mac operating system. So if you check the system requirement for Windows computer, the graphics supported is RX 5500XT GTX 1060, and the recommended system requirement is the graphic requirement is RX 6700XT and RTX 2080. If you have this supported graphic card driver, then you can play the game. But if your card is not supported, then you will get that error. Now, in an official FAQ, Pearl Abyss confirmed the situation, noting that Crimson Desert currently does not support Intel Arc graphic cards. So if you go to this website, this is the Crimson Desert official website. I will provide this link in my video description. So when you go to the official website of Crimson Desert, you can see the announcements tab. Click on this announcement tab, scroll down, and then click on frequently asked question. This is for the Crimson Desert game. Click on it, scroll down, and here you will see, does Crimson Desert support Intel Arc? They have answered no. Crimson Desert currently does not support Intel Arc graphic cards. If you purchase the game expecting Intel Arc support, please refer to the refund policy of the platform where the game was purchased for available options. We apologize for any inconvenience caused. So this is what their FAQ page says, and they have confirmed that they does not support the Intel Arc graphic card driver. So this is a very bad news for the players, because Crimson Desert is currently a popular title in the PC platforms. If you check this Intel community website, I will provide this link in my video description. Just go to this website. Here a user have asked, hello Intel, when can we expect a new driver that supports Crimson Desert? Because I unable to launch the game for some reason. Yes, I have access to the game. I am content creator. I tried to find a personal email of Intel for beta private driver, but I couldn't. Sorry if this isn't the right place for it. Thank you for your attention. The user have attached the error photo. So when you click on this, you will see the same error. The graphic device is currently not supported. So what are the replies over here? The first reply says, this is not an Intel driver issues. The game has some sort of driver whitelist that does not include Intel for some reason. Bring it up to the developer that this should be a warning rather than breaking loading of the game. This is especially bad for preservation, as the game may not boot in future hardware or even drivers. If version changes so much, it won't pass the string. So this is the reply they have mentioned over here. Another user have said same problem here with the Intel Arc A580. Now this is the FAQ which I have shown on their official website. So if you have Intel Arc graphic card driver, then you will get this error. However, I have provided the fixes for Crimson Desert error. The graphics device is currently not supported, and these fixes are only for supported graphic card. So the fix one is to update your graphic card driver to the latest version. So simply update your graphic card driver to the latest version, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fixed is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, which is supported by the game, then you can also perform a clean installation of your Intel graphic card driver by visiting the Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. So I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you're on this NVIDIA website, scroll down and enter your graphic card driver version over here. Select Windows operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver, and the current latest version is 595.79. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run it. So run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow, and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select a custom advanced option. Check mark this custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box. just tick mark this perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the Crimson Desert game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphic settings and open it. And then click on add desktop app. And then browse to the Crimson Desert game installation folder. So if you have game on Steam, then go to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Crimson Desert folder. Then open the bin64 folder and then look for the Crimson Desert exe file and then click on add. And after adding it, expand it, click on the drop down next to the GPU preference and then select high performance. And then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 4 is to roll back graphic card driver. For NVIDIA graphic card driver user, you can roll back to NVIDIA driver 591.44 version. So again, go to the NVIDIA website and then enter your graphic card driver version over here, select operating system and then click on find. And then click on view more versions and look for the 591.44 version. Here it is, 591.44 version, and you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So click on view and then download it and then run this 591.44 exe file to roll back your graphic card driver and then just perform the same steps. So run the downloaded exe file, select yes to allow and then click OK. Then click on agree and continue, then select custom advanced option, then click on next, then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after rolling back your graphic card driver to 591.44 version, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Similarly, if you have AMD graphic card driver, then roll back to any other previous version and check. Fix 5 is to disable integrated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type a device manager and open it. Then expand the display adapters. So in my case, Intel UHD graphic card driver is the integrated graphic card. So right click on it and then select disable device and then click on yes to confirm. And after disabling the integrated graphic card driver, then you can go ahead, launch the Crimson Desert game and check. And after playing the game, don't forget to come back here. Then right click on integrated graphic card driver and then select enable device. Since I have not disabled it, so it is showing disable device, but in your case it will show enable device. So simply enable the device after playing the game. So I hope by following these 5 fixes, you can easily solve Crimson Desert error. The graphics device is currently not supported and this fixes is only for the supported graphic card driver. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.